Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to talk about one secret free design tool on which you can make your own print on demand design right now. It's free, although they have paid option as well, but free option is worth for in the beginning. But if you want to later on upgrade it, then obviously you can go with the paid option, but the free option is worth it in the beginning. So if you want to know more about that free design tool, then let's get started with today's video guys. And before going into the good part, you know what you need to do. Click on the like button, I would really appreciate that, and subscribe to my channel so whenever I upload more such videos you'll be getting notified about it. Now let's go on to a laptop and I'm going to show you that free tool, which is that free tool which you can use right now and can start making your own print on demand design. And you don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a coding expert, or you don't need to be an artist to get started with that design tool. It's just so simple and so easy. It's like similar to the Canva. And so let's hop onto my laptop, and without me further talking more about it, and let's gonna show you guys what is that tool.
Okay guys, we are currently on laptop, and you can see very well I have already onto the website, that is crello.com, crello.com. Now this is website like kind of like similar to the Canva itself. Like you can create your own graphics, like you can create your own social media posts, story, PDF pages, and all those different stuffs. And if I'm just gonna click over there, and you can see what you can create with the Crello. It's the animated graphics, Instagram post, posters, Facebook posts, logo maker, flyers, YouTube thumbnails, brochure making, then the invitations, then they have the YouTube intro maker, YouTube channel art, Facebook covers, business cards, ebook designs, then the resume maker, infographic. So it's just like kind of like a similar like the Canva itself. It also has the various different stuffs, and they have the free and the paid version both guys. And I'm just gonna scroll down. Let me see what's there. So they have the trending templates you're going to love. So you can also go with the trending templates. You can pick up the dimension from over here. Like if you want to go with the Instagram post size, then the square video post, Facebook, then the Instagram video story, then video full HD poster, YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest graphics, logo, then the Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Twitter posts, like whatever size you want, for whatever format you want, you can just click over here and can go with that size guys. So it's just like similar to the Canva in many respects. They have this proper size of the card, the brochure, the gift card, the gift certificate, and the email header. You can also create your email header from here, zoom background, and the resume. Then they have the menu, the coupon, the medium rectangle, the certificate, Twitter head. Like it's also an amazing free tool apart from the Canva for creating your graphics. There's so much that you can create from the this. Now this is a t-shirt. You can also go and design your t-shirt and can make according to it. Guys, we're just gonna go over here and we're just gonna see their illustrations, their fonts, and all that. Now this is the featured templates. You can pick up the templates and can go with that. Instagram post, and the poster, the Facebook post, the Instagram stories, the Pinterest graphics, the logo, top features, the free graphic software with professional templates, and so on. It's just like a similar like the Canva, but also it's a kind of a variant. So if I'm just gonna click over to the t-shirt, let me see what's there. Hello stuff. Now here are the templates. There are the various different templates. You can go with these different templates and you can pick up these templates, or either way you can go with the videos, the music, the animations, the objects, the backgrounds, text, my files, and all those things. So these are the various different kinds of templates guys, and this is the white canvas, and I'm trying to make a t-shirt design. Now I haven't logged into the Crello, so if you want to save your design, if you want to export the file, then obviously you need to sign up and you need to log in onto their platform. Like, it's a free sign up, and then just download your file. So you just need to go with that if you want to download, if you want to export your file. I haven't logged into it, so that's why it's showing me this way. Now let me see what there are various different kinds of templates, guys. It's also amazing way, and yeah, not many people know about the Trello till now. Like, everyone know about the Canva, but very few people actually know about the Trello. And so yeah, you can take an advantage of these Trello stuff. Now they have a beautiful templates, guys, and these are a fresh templates, not similar to the Canva. So yeah, you can pick up anything and you can go with that. If I'm just going to go with the photographs, then the premium and the deposit photos, you can go with that. They have most of their photos as a premium as well. Then the videos are there. Then the music is also there. Wow, this is amazing, guys. You can select the music over here, and I guess these music would be in the premium. But please, guys, make sure you check the terms and conditions before actually using anything from their platform, to be on the safer side, so that you won't hit any license agreement or anything like that. So make sure you go through the Scalo license agreement before actually using these stuffs. Then they have the animations as well. Yeah, this is a pretty well, guys. You can pick up any animation and you can create it. And they also have the objects. I guess in the objects they would be having an illustration. So let me see what kinds of illustrations they have. The New Year, the Christmas, the lines, the arrows. Let me just click over the OK. And yeah, so if I'm just gonna select any animal object, let me see what kind of illustration they have. There are various different template animal illustrations. Now these illustrations are quite different from the Canva illustrations. These are quite different, guys. You can use it, like if I'm just using this paw, let me see how it looks like on my Canva. So just click over here. Okay, drag it over here, and yeah, it's already two are there. So this is my paw. So okay, just increase the size so that it can fit very well. So this is the way you can size it. Okay, so they have this option. You can just tilt around and can play around with the ideas. Then this is the color. So they have these colors. So if I just go into them, then I can select whatever color I want to go with that. Then this is the transparency, guys. You can choose the 100% transparency, or like you can be creative with that, whatever you want to do with that. If you want to go with the opacity or transparency, or like you can be just do with that. Now this is the file horizontal flipping option. Then the animate option, you can also animate it, like you can zoom in, you can zoom out. This is specifically if you are making any video post for your social media, like if you are making a video post for your Instagram, for your Facebook, and you want a little bit of the animation, then probably this thing is exactly for you. Or even if you are using the story feature of Instagram and you want people to swipe up and visit your website, or swipe up or visit your shop, or whatever thing you want to put the link of, then you can obviously use this type of animation and can create a post from here and then can upload it on your Instagram story. So it's really amazing, guys. Like, you have so many different options over here. Then we have the backgrounds. So in the backgrounds they have the patterns, the photos, and the colors. So let me see, the colors are the normal, the photos, okay, they have the photographs that they are paid, so you need to pay them to get them, and these are the free ones. These are the gradients. Then the text is there. Okay, so this is a different text. You can select the my fonts. You can also upload your own fonts from here, guys. If you want to upload your own font, you can just click over there and you can upload your fonts and can use your own fonts as well. And make sure your file format should be in the TTF or OTF format of your font, and you can upload your font over here and can use your own fonts, or either way you can use the fonts of this software as well. And then these are the my files. You can upload your own image, your own video, and can use it in the software. And this is the way how it works. You can just go through that design tutorials and all that, guys. Like if I'm just gonna go over here, so this is the present, this is the share option, then this is the resize. I can literally resize it if I want to resize it. Now I need to log in to use the resize option. So they have like 30,000 plus professional graphic design templates, 60 plus design formats for web and print, 32,000 plus animated objects, 180 million plus images, videos and music tracks and background removers. So they have so much option in their free account. So you can go with that and can use it. This is the layering option, the alignment option, then you can lock it, duplicate it, and this is the delete option. So if I'm just going to download it, then I need to sign up, guys. I haven't signed it up yet, so that's why I need to sign up before actually using it. If I'm just going to click over to this background, let me see, it's not clicking over here. Okay, so this is the way, guys. I think that this is also an amazing platform apart from the Canva, and you can use it. Make sure read their license agreement, their terms and conditions before using the illustrations, their fonts, their patterns and gradients and all that. So this is a small tutorial of me showing exactly what the Trello contains and how you can use it for making your own print on demand design. Now this is the thing that I put it, and this is a t-shirt thing. I use it to show you guys exactly how to use the Trello. It's similar to the Canva, but it's a little bit different from the Canva in many respects. And yeah, but it's a great platform apart from the Canva. If you're tired of the Canva or you want a little bit more variant of the tool, then the Trello is exactly for you. They have the free and the paid option. The free option is better to get started with that, and later on if you want to upgrade it, then you can obviously pay them and can start with their paid option as well. It depends on you guys. But yeah, it's also an amazing way to make more of your designs and use the templates and their fonts and all that. So let me know.
So I hope that this video is really useful to you. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever used this free tool or not, and are you looking forward to use that tool or not. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Bye, guys.